Anna is obviously having difficulties to run with a boxer upper crack. So how it is going to end? And now, what did the girl with the black hair, I don't remember her name, but you know, the competitor Fana, what did she really saw on that card? Is it really friend? I mean, I don't understand. It's supposed to be a question, but she's saying friend, and now she doesn't have any friends, or she doesn't know what to do. This is kind of interesting because you know this is a you know what, an obstacles course, and now she's taking in time. So Anna is going to catch up to her, and I know what's going to happen now. The Yes Man has a fiance. That is a pretty cool story because when did he ask him? Because right now he doesn't know about anything, and all of a sudden she's his fiance. Like I just said, this could make a great manga in itself. The Ass Man. So we are going to see next chapter who is going to win that race, and I really hope it's Anna because you know the underground underground school committee has to win this race.